Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be going over basic navigation in Mozilla Hubs. To start, clicking on the link will direct you to a page that looks like this. You have two options available on here, share on Twitter and create a room. For this instance, we're going to be creating a room. Once it is done loading, you can see that we have two options here available, join a room and enter on device. If you're on an Oculus Quest or Quest 2, then you're going to want to enter device on the browser for that device. If not, go ahead and click join room. Then this window will pop up where you have the option to either change your avatar or you can change your username. I'm going to change my username to Coyote. Mozilla might ask for permissions to use your mic. Just go ahead and allow that. Then you're going to select what microphone your computer is currently using right now. In my case, they are both default, so I will just leave them like that. Once done, we're just going to click Enter Room. Now, Mozilla Hubs has two ways of getting around. One being you can hold down your right click so that you can teleport. You should see a green halo appear, and once you let go, you're teleported to that spot. The other is using the WASD keys to move around. You can also move faster by holding down Shift. If you would like to place things down in the Mozilla Hubs world, you can click this button down here that says Place. Here you can place a 3D model, drawings with a pen, camera, an avatar, GIF, or a scene. There is also an emote button that allows you to select stickers that show your reaction. You can also click the chat button in order to interact with others. The share button allows you to stream your camera or your screen to anybody in the lobby. If you wish to stop sharing your voice with others in the lobby, you can click this voice button down here in order to mute yourself. Others will not be able to hear you when you press this button. This is indicated by a little slash that appears through the microphone. And that's about it for navigation in Mozilla Hubs. Hope to see you soon.